The next lesson we're going to work on is all about RACE, R-A-C-E. And this is a formula that we use when we answer questions. So let's say the question is, how did the animal become extinct? We would use RACE to walk us through the steps to have a well-developed answer. So when we use RACE, the R stands for restate the question, which we have all worked with. When we ask a question, we always say, okay, you need to restate the question. Then you're going to answer the question. So you're going to give your answer, and then you will cite evidence from that paragraph and then explain what it means. So, for example, here is our paragraph. Lions live together in social groups called prides. Most of their lions in a pride are females and their cubs. The lionesses share the work of hunting and raising cubs. By hunting in a pack, lions can take down animals far larger than themselves. Much of the food killed by a pride is taken by the males. In return, they provide protection from the other lions. A pride has a well-defined territory, which is marked by the males. When lions in a pride meet, they greet one another by head rubbing, licking, and grooming. It's endearing to watch them. So the question for this text is, according to the article, is it important for lions to live as a pride? So we would work our way through this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my text. So remember, the R is all about restating. So the question is it important for lions to live as a pride? So we would say yes or no and restate the question. Yes, it is important for lions to live as a pride. There we go. That's restating. Now we're going to answer. To live as a pride because, and then why is it important for lions to live as a pride? Because they survive by depending on each other. So there is my answer. Now I have to cite. So when I say they survive by depending on each other, what does that mean? So I have to cite. I have to find things within the text. Okay, so they need each other so they can take down big animals together for food. They also protect each other. And then I have to explain. I have to explain my reasoning for this. When they work together, they are able to take down bigger animals by trapping them and using all of their strength to take down something that is heavier than them. And then I put my period. So I restated, I answered, I picked out things from the text, and then I explained what I meant when I picked it out from the text. So that is how you use RACE.